Guys, just got a new camera, also just got home from school. Yeah, I bought used because it's cheap. Hey guys, what's up? So yesterday I filmed an unboxing for this camera, a Canon T4i, and the footage I guess decided to corrupt, so I'm gonna re-unbox it for you guys again. We have loads of paperwork and we also have some CDs because this camera's like 5 or 6 years old. Yeah. We have more paperwork, instructions, and some warning notice. I don't really care. A battery charger, Canon LPE8 battery pack. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but yeah. We have our lens, 18 to 55 kit lens, 3.5 to 5.6 stabilizer in autofocus. And now we have the body. Yeah. Flip out LCD. And go pop the battery in. And SD card. Battery compartment on the bottom. SD card on the right side. She'll work to this angle. I can't stand it very well, but zoom out. Slow starter DSLR. If you guys are still thinking about picking one up, I'm gonna cut back to this camera. Like 5 years old, but image quality isn't amazing, but features, and will get you started with doing some more like professional stuff and figuring out, you know, how to use shutter speed, ISO, and the camera. She started with like the bigger stuff and the bigger production. What I'm using it for is just to my 8 cameras, so stuff where I just like right now where I'm just sitting down talking to you guys, travel content, trying to do, you know, start like getting into like actual like corporate work and things like that. Got me the camera for that. It's going to be basically my main workhorse. This will still be my vlogging camera, my B cam for any other work, that type of stuff. Peace.
you enjoyed the video, don't forget to drop a like, get subscribed, watch my previous video, and go follow me on social media for updates.